this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a salad. It's a vegetable salad. It's not got lettuce or any of that in it. It's got cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, peppers, black olives, and I'm going to try Zesty Italian Dressing in it. So I'm using this little chopper thing. It's the first time I've used it. But it looks like it's going to do really well. Let me show you what if I can't get the lid off. But see how thin? I started using it to see how it would do, and it really is doing good. So I'm going to cut up one of these cucumbers, and I might just only need one cucumber, but if not, I'll use the two. And I've got 3 large tomatoes, and so I'll bring you back when I go to the tomatoes, because I'm going to try the tomatoes on this too. So I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I'm making the tomatoes. Let me show you. I'm chopping them up like this in this little thing. What I'm doing is I'm cutting it in half, then cut it into thirds, and then you just put it on here and smash it down. And I didn't smash it hard enough. There it goes. Well, I did that whole other tomato and didn't have a problem, and then do this one and have a problem. Alright, I'll put another one on, get it inside here. The skin's getting caught on it. Alright, and you can see it's cutting it up pretty big pieces, which is what I wanted. I think you can see me. I have a big one like this, but it doesn't have the slicing part to it, and I wanted to slice those cucumbers up. Alright, so that's the second one. Let me show you. Well, come on. You see all the pieces. This is going to be good for me to snack on. And I'll just cut the very end off of the tomato, and then the end off of this. Throw these away. Cut it in half, and then cut it in thirds. And put this back on. And I'm going to do the same thing with the onion, except I'm going to switch it, and these little things this will be the size of the red onions, but for the tomatoes I wanted bigger. So, well, I almost dropped that one. Alright, let me get these tomatoes cut up and the onion, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you this. If you've got one of these little things, I mean, I've had this for a good year and haven't ever taken it out of the box. And I don't know why I don't use it, but it really is cool. It really is. It just makes the red onions chopped up just like you'd want them for this kind of salad. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing that I just did to the onions to this. I have a green bell pepper over here, and I'm going to chop it up and put it in here. And then I've got a can of large black olives that I'm going to cut in half and put in here. And I'll bring you back when I get to the stage after that. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so everything's chopped up in here. It's 1 can of large black olives, 3 large tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, and 1 red onion, and 1 green bell pepper. So now I'm going to put some kosher salt in here, and I'm not measuring, I'm just putting it on because there's no salt. The olives have got salt on them, but none of the rest of the vegetables have got salt. Alright, now I'm going to put some coarse ground black pepper. Alright, just a little bit of that. Alright, and now I'm going to go on and put this Zesty Italian Dressing, and this is Kroger brand. Alright. And then I'm going to put the top on my bowl. Make sure it's on tight. And I'm just going to shake this around. Make sure this Italian dressing is all on the... I want to get those cucumbers that are on the bottom mixed up with everything else. All the vegetables mixed up. Alright, and I'm going to let... I'm going to get me out just a little bit right now and taste it. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I put some on my plate. Of course, you know that this is not, it hasn't sat at all, so I just made it, and it really needs to be put in the refrigerator, which I'm going to do in just a minute, but I want to taste it first. Alright, I'll bring you back after this has been in the refrigerator for a few hours. I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like then. Okay, I'm back. My daughter came over last night, and it was pretty late before they left, but she said that in the salad that I made, that I needed to put some pasta in it. So I got out a package of spaghetti, and I put about a third of, I broke the pasta in half, and I put like a third of a box of the spaghetti in here. And so I'm going to cook this, add this to the salad, and then I'll bring you back and we're going to have some for lunch. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so here's the salad. I put the noodles in there, and I can't wait to taste this. I just absolutely love the salad. I've never had it with the noodles, so I'm excited about that. I just put, like I said, about a third of a box of the spaghetti. Oh yes, that is good. That is very good. I usually don't like Italian dressing, but I do in this salad. And this has been sitting since yesterday, except for the spaghetti noodles. But everything else is just perfect in it. I hope you give this a try. And make sure you put the olives in too, because the olives gives it a really good taste. And you also could put feta cheese in this. This will be good with feta cheese. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below to links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and other links to things you can purchase at Amazon. And you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.